one you remember and take a dip for that. But mother-in-law doesn't require so much punya. Little is enough. I did. So I do it very well. Every action is going to produce result. Drishtapalam is God. You are shivering. Drishtapalam is God. Sin is you are clean now, fresh. Adrishtapalam is God. Papanashanam. You don't see that, but scripture says, Kurute Ganga Sagaraka. So, one drop of Ganga also will purify me. Ganga Jalalava Kanika Pita. Ganga Jala Lava Kanika. One drop of Ganga, if you take in your mouth, your papa is gone. If you take deep into the Ganga, what to talk about it? Your papa is gone, you don't see that. You feed Brahmana, a Vedic Brahmana, Sadachari Brahmana, Charitravan Brahmana, a clean person Brahmana. If I feed him, Drishtapalam is what? All my vessels are empty because he is hungry also. He eats very well. And result is what? He is happy. But Adrushtapalam is what? Punya Prapti Papa Nivritti, which you don't see. Here the scripture says this karma will produce punya also. Aharaha Sandhya Upasita. If you daily do Sandhya Vandanam, 3 daily prayers at different times, 3 Sandhis. Sandhi means joining. Night is ending, day is starting, Sandhi. Day is over, say full moon is over and afternoon is starting, that noon time actually 12 is again Sandhi. Day is ending, night is starting, Sandhi. The Trikala Sandhya if you do, you get so much punya. If you give a Brahmana Godanam, punya, so karma produces punya, which is positive. In my account it is there. And in time, this punya will fructify in the form of external conducive situation, internal a disposition of mind which is just naturally happy and abiding. This is called punya kala, punya result. Yesterday I was there in this temple, in the Dayton temple. There is Prana Pratishtha Mahotsava going on. Very beautifully they were doing. You can see people were all intoxicated by the atmosphere. I went there, they were happy. Yati, for Prana Pratishtha, 3 things should be there. Garuda Darshana, Varuna, means rain should come and Yati should come. This thing. I went there and that time only little rain came. They were very happy. Very beautiful Swamiji. And they were in different world. They call what Kala? Happy Kala, Punya Kala. Sometime morning you wake up, you feel very healthy, very nice physical way, energetic. They call what Kala? Punya Kala. Another day you get up what? All aches and pain, no energy, no mood to talk to anybody. Which Kala? Opposite of Punya is what Kala? Papa Phalam is there. You are eating nice basmati rice, Punya Kalam. A stone come in between. What? Papa Phalam. They come together sometimes. So Punya brings to me a positive, a conducive situation. Who gives me this thing? Do I author all this thing? No. I perform that karma. It gives me Drishtapalam also. But sometimes where, understand very well. Asmin Janmani, Janmantare, in previous birth, I might have performed lot of actions. They are all in my account. And when they fructify as a conditioned situation, that is called as what? Punya Kalam, happy time in your life. And there we say Kripa. But I don't know which action has given result into this form. जब मालूम नहीं होता है ना कौन से कर्म ने ये फल दिया है सुखप्रद, तब उसको क्या कहते हैं? कृपा. Kripa means it is definitely done by me as the sole author. But when did I do? Which birth I did? I don't know. Sometimes you are saved in the accident. And then you say, Appa, some punya was there, be what? One lady was telling me. So she was going in the car and from the same line, opposite direction, a car was coming, wrong direction. She just took the right turn and went up this side and saved herself. The other person realized mistake after some time. This is called what? Saving grace, she was saved. So many times you know you're bach gaya, bach gaya. One thing is that if you want to become devotee of Bhagavan, you go to India, sit in the car. You cannot drive there, I know anywhere. Better you don't drive there. Not safe for them, neither safe for you. Even a good driver with a good instincts in driving the car, he goes left and right, and when you see what happened to you, you think of all 1,000 names of Bhagavan and only say, Bach gaya, mar gaya, bach gaya, bach gaya. When you come back home as one piece, which is a rare thing, you feel what? भगवान की बड़ी कृपा थी कि बम्बई से सूरत पहुंच गया. Because every time there are, see, these fellows are, they go to left, right, they can take overturn from any side. You know, India is a free country. You can take overtake from left side also or right side also. They take overturn, they take further, and between two parallel cars there is only little difference. From that he takes the car out. You say, you are out. Other side, other car is coming your same time. And they come like that and last minute they do like that. Have you seen this thing? Yes. Every car comes on head and last minute it goes like that. And suppose it doesn't happen like that, you will be with Vaikuntha. Where to become devotee of Lord is very easy in India. In one day you become what? Hey Bhagavan. And some people don't sit in the front row because they put more brakes than the driver. They sit in the back seat. Closing the eyes, Rama, 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 Pachao, Pachao, karke. But I like that driving. I like Indian road. Very interesting road. You can take U-turn anywhere. You can stop your car anywhere and take by Mumfali. And the roads are full of lot of things. Old lady crossing, cows crossing, goats crossing, dogs are running around. And among them you have to drive the car. You should be what? All alert. There are a lot of things to be seen. And here in this car, if you see, from Dayton to Toledo, not even a sparrow is there on the road. Nothing is there.
Cruise control.
Cruise control. Cruise control. I sleep really. Because I feel bored here. I don't enjoy this car. India, you try to sleep, you'll be in heaven. You can't sleep there. There you see the grace, flowing grace. Bach ke aa gaya. One thing I'm marking, I'm flying so much every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm out. Here all aircrafts come down slowly gliding, touching down, boom, and fly. India, invariably, every aircraft comes suddenly down, boom, they come like that. Have you seen? I asked the pilot what type of landing you are doing. He said, Swamiji, the airstrip is always short in India. And we have to land at certain point. Then only we can have control of the flight. If we hit little longer further, there will be accident. Therefore, and sometimes the flight doesn't go and touch there. We lose the whole weight and boom, we come down there. That is where we are doing. Boom, whole aircraft come down. Every time landing, I am really prayerful, oh Bhagavan, let there be smooth landing. Ding, 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 it goes like that. Very scary, I tell you. Therefore, when you take medicine, you are prayerful, right? Are you prayerful or not? See, whenever you take medicine, you don't read all that is written with a small paper inside. Have you seen that? And that paper, whatever written is in such a small letter, you require microscope to read that. So small, because the pharmaceutical company do not want you to read them. If you read them, you can never take them. Contraindications are so many. I mean 1 in 2% dies, 50% death is possible. All they write. You may develop carcinoma. Like that they write all those things. If you read all those things, then why should I take all this medicine? You want to hear a very funny story? All of you know Hindi also? Yeah. Anybody doesn't know Hindi? Hindi Tarima? Some Tamil and the Hindi speaking people, Tamil तेरी माँ, मतलब तेरी माँ तमिल होगी, मेरी माँ तो यूपी की है. G.D. Birla used to get, whenever he becomes sick, to call the doctor, get his blood checked up, and get prescription for the medicine. Get the medicine also. I will never take medicine. Somebody says, Papa ji, क्या करते हो? कि डॉक्टर को इसलिए बुलाता हूँ कि उसका काम धंधा चले, जांच इसलिए करवाता हूँ कि उनका भी लेबोरेटरी चले, दवा इसलिए मंगवाता हूँ कि कंपनियां चले, खाता नहीं हूँ इसलिए कि जिंदा रहूँ. ये सब कारण है. Now come back. I will say, all the karma which I have done earlier, called punya karma, they give me a situation. In one sentence I will tell you, you will be at right time, at right place. Whole success in one's life, if you look at, you are at right place at what? Right time. All of you came from India to this country of opportunity to make your life prosperous here. This prosperous country, definitely rich country. You left your hometown and came here. And 1970 to 80, 85, those people came. There was right time and right place you came. But suppose now somebody immigrate to this country, the right place but not right time. These two things are very rare. To be there in the position, wherever position you are in the office, in your company, in your institution, because you were there at right time, right place, you are selected. After the configuration changes, the new selector, they would have never selected you. But old guys or persons were better, they chose me. These people may not have chosen you.